Task number 8, conclusion. This room focused on the most common sources of information for cybersecurity professionals. There are plenty more. As the information landscape keeps changing, la la la, blah la la, blah la la. So basically, these are just conclusion. We don't care about this. You can read this. You can pause the video. Answer the questions below. Ensure you have noted. Anyway. Okay, cool. So continue. Our next thing. Let's see what will be. Continue. Linux part 1. Wait a second. I think this one is done already. Yeah, so as I said, the Linux fundamentals, including part 2 and 3, are done. You can see them on my channel. They are already uploaded. And the next one will be Windows. All right, let's click just continue, because resume learning, and we'll see here command line. All right, so if we go here and see how much, what is the percentage? It's 0. Anyway, so the next thing that we'll do will be Windows command line.